Tattooed Chef is a plant-based food firm that plans to go public in 2020 via a Special Purpose Acquisition Company, or SPAC. The company is capitalizing on expanding healthy eating and plant-based food trends. Investors have seen the collapse of food industry titans such as the Kraft Heinz Company in recent years, and with shifting customer taste, does this indicate Tattooed Chef is a viable investment? I will be discussing this and more in today's video. If you don't want to miss out on any details, stay with me till the end of the video. Now, let's get right into it. Everything said in this video is for entertainment purposes only and is just us acting as your source of interesting information. We recommend that anyone considering investing their finances conduct active research before putting their money on the line. Tattooed Chef Stock Bull Case. Tattooed Chef is a significant provider of plant-based choices in the United States. Long-term, it intends to have over 200 goods while also expanding into new sectors such as desserts and family dinners. The firm distributes its goods under both the Tattooed Chef and private label brands, and it wants to have its products in 12,000 retail outlets by the end of the third quarter. Previously, management was optimistic that it would accomplish its goal of being stocked in 10,000 stores by the end of 2021, indicating that it is currently ahead of schedule. Tattooed Chef is aiming for a burgeoning plant-based business that is expected to increase from $13.5 billion to $37 billion by 2027. Because of the convenience of its goods, Millennials and Gen Z are also helping to fuel growth. It estimates its current total addressable market to be $13 billion, with a $12 billion opportunity in the sweets area in the near term. Tattooed Chef has vertically integrated production facilities in Italy and the United States, which is one of its primary competitive advantages. It has been able to keep up with rising demand and can deliver a product from concept to shelves in 3 months. The capacity to identify trends and innovate will be critical to its future success. Tattooed Chefs purchased New Mexico food distributors and Karsten Tortilla Factory in May. Tattooed Chef will be able to address the $1 billion Mexican frozen food industry with the new enterprise, Foods of New Mexico. Another advantage? The combined manufacturing facility size of the two firms, 118,000 square feet, allows the healthy food brand to grow its production capacity more quickly. Tattooed Chef predicts that the purchase will generate an additional $200 million in sales for the firm within a few years. Revenue climbed by 45% year-on-year in the second quarter of 2021, reaching $50.7 million. These results were lower than the previous quarter when it generated $52.7 million in sales, a 59% increase year-on-year in the second quarter, and recorded a net loss of $53.2 million, a considerable increase from the $7.9 million reported in the first quarter. Furthermore, branded items had accounted for 65% of overall sales, which increased 62% to $33.1 million. Tattooed Chef also has around $140 million on the balance sheet, which it will continue to reinvest in the business. For the whole year, the business anticipates sales to range between $235 million to $242 million, or a 63% growth over 2020. Sam Galletti, the CEO of Tattooed Chef, has over 35 years of expertise in the food sector. In 2014, he employed his daughter Sarah Galletti as a creative officer, and she was important in the Tattooed Chef brand's launch. Sam Galletti and his family control about half of the company, indicating that their interests are aligned with those of stockholders. Tattooed Chef Stock Bear Case. Tattooed Chef is a small-cap business with a market capitalization of around $1.3 billion, which increases the possibility of volatility. Because of the nature of the food industry, margins are poor. Tattooed Chef stated in its first quarter financial report that gross margin was 15.7%, up from 10.8% the previous year. Its net loss of $53.2 million in the second quarter contrasted adversely to the prior year period's net income of $1.3 million. If larger competitors enter this market in a major way, these statistics might be compressed much more. It is questionable if consumers would be prepared to pay a premium for Tattooed Chef items to sustain these profits. Its 3 largest clients contributed about 88% of total revenue in fiscal 2020, down from 95% in 2019. This client concentration is a worry since losing one of them would have a big impact on revenue. So should I invest in Tattooed Chef? The company is still in its early stages, and there is a big risk. The early signals are optimistic as it continues to accomplish its objectives, and it might be a smart investment for an investor with a high-risk appetite. Thank you for staying with me till the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like and share the video with friends and family. You can leave your question and thoughts in the comments section below, and I will respond as soon as I can. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when we add new videos in the future. Thank you, and bye for now.